Hi guys, this is Kenya and welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so very super excited because I'm going to be doing a handbag unboxing today. And yes, I'm so excited about this, but first let me say guys, let me apologize for the lighting because it was absolutely beautiful and sunny 5 minutes ago and now the sun has kind of gone away, and so if the lighting looks a little weird or a little awkward, then that is why. I do apologize. But now let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So I have a package here from the company Teddy Blake, and you can see the size of this box. I'm so super excited to crack it open. So Teddy Blake is a handbag company that is based in New York, but all of their handbags they are a genuine Italian leather. So yes, I'm excited about this. I cannot wait to see what this bag looks like and share it with you guys, and probably should have had it already cut before I started, but here we go. Okay, so let's get into this box, and this is what I see as soon as I open it. Gorgeous. Very nice, very nice. Teddy Blake, New York. So now let me take this out. Put that there. Okay, so this is the box that the handbag comes in. Very nice box, guys. I'm impressed already, so impressed already. So yes, now let's see here. Oh, the box has like a magnet, just so you know. I mean, some people may not care about that, but I think that's pretty cool. The box has a magnet here to keep it closed. So, and this is how it opens up. So very nice. So it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind. To be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion choices. Yes. All right, so let's see here. There's a little pamphlet here, and it says, thanks for shopping with Teddy Blake. Oh, and they also give you a $50 store credit once you make your purchase, and you get your little booklet here, your care booklet here. There's a little coupon code there on the back. So that's pretty awesome. Now that the box is open, then there's tissue paper here, and here is the handbag. So you can see it is wrapped nicely. The packaging is superb. And there's another little booklet here at the bottom of the box. And I have to say, guys, this box is pretty amazing also. So we'll just close that back up. There we go. Now let's open this bag. I'm so excited. So this is the Ava, and it's in gold. It's the small Ava in gold. So let me grab my scissors here again and cut this open. Again, the wrapping on it is very nice, and the handbag comes in this duster bag, which is also nice. When you're storing your bag, you want to keep it protected, so it's always nice when a handbag comes with a nice duster. And guys, I can smell the leather already. It smells so amazing. And here is the bag. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, I am loving this. You guys can see this beautiful taupe color. I love it. Love, love, love it. This is perfect for work, for church, for everyday shopping out and about. Just perfect. I love the gold hardware here and the zipper on the back and the gold little knobs here on the top. So let's open it. And here is the inside of the bag. And it has a shoulder strap here, which is also very nice with the gold hardware. You guys know I love gold everything, so yes, so that is very nice. The strap's there. And oh, this is like, oh, I guess this is like a little charm that hangs on the side of the purse. Let's open that. Oh yeah, it's a little lock. You can see that there. So cute. And on it, it says Teddy Blake, New York. So, love that. And again, here's the inside. It has a suede interior. Very, very nice. And it's very spacious also. So you can see how spacious this is, guys. So I'm so super excited to carry this handbag. And I'll go ahead and take a few minutes to move my items from my current bag into this bag to show you what I have in my bag and how everything fits. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have filled my bag with all of the items, my essential items that I carry in my handbag. So I'll show you guys how I put everything in there. And here again is another look of the bag. And I did go ahead and add on the strap, the handle strap here, so you guys can see that. And on the back side of the bag, it does say Teddy Blake, New York here. And it has a zipper compartment there. You could slide your cell phone in here if you want an easy access to it, but you'll see where I have my cell phone in just a second. So that's that one. And then as we go along here, this is the front, and on the bottom it has these little feet, so that's nice and convenient. And on the front of the bag here also, let's look at, you see Teddy Blake, New York on here as well. And it's not really engraved, it's like just printed on in gold letters. And I did go ahead and add the little charm here. And I added on the handle. And this is where the shoulder strap attaches. And it just has a clasp like that. So it goes on and off easily. Okay, so now let's open the bag to see what I have inside. So to open it, you slide the little flaps up here like that. And you just open it like that. Now here's the inside of the bag. Let me switch sides here. This is the inside and everything that I have in there. So you guys can see how spacious this is. I have all of my essentials in here, everything that I could possibly need in this bag. So it is very spacious. And again, this is the Ava small in the color taupe. So this is the small bag. So imagine how large the medium and the large size bag would be. So the small bag is here. And again, you can see the suede interior. And inside there is a zipper compartment here. Right there. And then in front of the zipper compartment, there's also a little pocket there as well. And that's where I have my little compact. So that slides in nicely right there. You could also add your cell phone there if you like as well. And then let's see here. I can show you guys again. Here's everything that's in the bag. So I'm going to take each item out so you guys can see exactly what I have in there. So first I have the cell phone. Of course you got to have that. And then I have a little makeup bag. So in this I have my lipstick, hand lotion, hand sanitizer, just whatever I might need. So items like that, freshen up my makeup. And then I have my sunglass case, and I also have my little electronic pouch. So in this I have like earbuds, charger for my cell phone, etc. So that's in there. Then I also have my wallet. Of course you gotta have a wallet, so here's my wallet. And then I also have a selfie stick, because I never know when I might need to film something, so it's always nice to have a selfie stick with me at all times. And again, like I mentioned, I also have my little compact here that's on the side. So that's everything that fits inside this handbag. It is very deep. You can see there's the selfie stick there down in the bottom. And so yes, very deep, very convenient and easy. This handbag, again, like I said, is very nice for work or for church. It's very spacious, even though it is a small bag. So I'll put that back in there. I'll put my makeup bag back, my electronic bag back. They're sticking to each other. I should put the electronic bag in first. There, that sits right there. Then I'll put this one in here. That fits nicely right there. Then I have my shades. They fit nicely right here in the corner. Like that. And then my cell phone right there. And that's everything. Nice, neat, organized. And the bag is not overstuffed either, guys. As you can see, there's still space in here that if I needed to sit something right on top, or if I wanted to add in like a little notepad, I could put that in there, just like that. That's a notepad I just recently picked up. So that fit in there. If you have gum, then let me take this wrapper off. If you have gum that you want to add in there, you could also sit that in right on top also. And still, if the bag is not overfilled and there's plenty of space. So let's close it back up. And there you have it. Just slide this back over. There. And there you have it. And again, the bag is not overfilled. It's not, you know, bulging out or protruding out so you can see that it's overstuffed. So all those items fit in here perfectly. So this bag will be a great birthday gift, a great Christmas gift. We have the holidays coming up. Christmas is upon us. So this will be a great Christmas gift for your mom, your wife, your sister, your girlfriend, whomever. So yes, I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's so very pretty. It's very practical. And yeah. So if you guys are interested in this handbag or any other Teddy Blake handbag, I will have their website linked in my description box down below. And I will say, guys, because the holiday season is coming, they're offering some great deals and discounts on their bags, because I think this bag retails for a few $100s. So check out the website to see all of the deals they have going on. And let me say a huge thank you again so much to Teddy Blake for sending me out this handbag. I absolutely love it. Again, this is the Ava in taupe color, and this is the small size. And it has a strap here. And if you guys don't know this about me, I like to carry my bags like this. This is how I usually carry my handbags, on my arm like that. So this will be perfect. So actually I carry it on my right side because I'm right-handed. So that's how I usually carry my bags. So you can carry it like that, you can carry it like this, or you can use it as a shoulder strap, just like that. And you could also do it as a crossbody if you like as well. So this shoulder strap is adjustable. It is in the highest setting so far, but you could adjust it down so that it would hang lower. and it's definitely, you could definitely do that, and it's just here. So totally up to you how you want to wear your handbag, but I thought this was really, really a nice bag, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So yes, thank you again, Teddy Blake. Now, if you guys are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.